Today I'm trying to see if microwave is better than a sweet oven. Making sweet treats. Which one's gonna be better? We're going to Walmart.
Sorry?
Not even a goodbye or see you later. I'm leaving. Nothing. Goodbye, Mom.
So now we're going to Walmart. On the way there. See you in a couple of minutes.
Oh my, Walmart. There you go, girl. Looking good. Don't talk. Okay.
So yeah, let's go. Getting closer. Oh, toys. So these are Barbies. Barbies aren't what we're looking for. Can't find it. We're gonna keep looking now. We went through each aisle and can't find it. Can't even find it. No. We found it. I'm just gonna look through them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 different types of cake. We have chocolate heart, pink heart with sprinkles like that. Another chocolate cake, vanilla cake, and a pink pearl cake. Let's do this one. Oh, I actually don't like strawberry that much. I'll do vanilla works, I guess. We're doing vanilla. We also found these cookies, so I'll do these cookies and this cake.
Let's do it.
Okay. So we have cookies to make. Chocolate chip cookie and these macarons. No, these are cookies. They're just a little puffed up. We'll be starting with the cake plates. Menu, what the heck? Not menu, instructions. Comes with some tools. It's a mini oven. Sprinkles. Vanilla cake mix. Vanilla frosting. Ready to start? Step 1. I gotta add 1 packet of cake mix. Clean up. Smells like cake batter, so that's a good sign. Tastes good. I'm just gonna pour this in. Pour. Okay. Now I gotta mix this until smooth. Now I have to add it into the mold. Okay, that's about smooth. Put this in the little oven. Then place mini oven in the microwave. 25 seconds. Oh, 30 seconds is fine, right? It's 5-second difference. Bam. We'll get it out at 5 seconds. Bam, bam, bam. 4 is fine. Oh, yeah. Does that work? 25 seconds. With adult supervision, put it on the thing and let it cool for it. Very hot. Yeah, it's burning temperatures.
5 minutes later.
Oh, it's small. That's good. Frosting mix. Half. Fill the lower line of measuring. Here's the water. Pour this in. Pour. Mix. Why am I mixing this? And then I gotta put this in. Yeah. This is not working. Yeah, it needs a little bit more water. I need a placemat. Wow. Placemat. So it doesn't spill all over the table. But yeah, this is definitely enough water. Should I have a lumpy cake? Mix. Ice. Yay. It's good enough. Pretty. Frosted. Next, decorate with sprinkles. Sprinkle.
Taste time.
That's really good. It's really good. So we'll be doing the cookies, and we're just gonna get started. I have a bowl and whisk. So I'm gonna use that. Whatever. And that's it. Easy bake pink sugar cookie mix. Lime flavored frosting mix. I want to do the pink sugar cookie. Let's start by opening this. So how much water? 20 minutes. Do you know what a teaspoon is? Drop. There, pink. Once again, I'm gonna say we need one. I think we need a little bit more water. But I was burnt with the frosting, so I'm just gonna keep mixing. Okay, so now I'm just gonna keep mixing. Crumbly. I'm gonna taste it though. My God, better than the cake mix, I can tell you that. Yeah, this is gonna help. Cookie dough batter. One ball. Sit ball. making them more cookie shaped. Oh, wow, it's not working. Put that down there. I have a better idea. Flour. Bam.
Perfect.
These good shapes fall. They need to be a little bit bigger. Oh! You know what that calls for? Bum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Flour. Now it's time to bake. We're gonna preheat the oven. When you hear that bing, it'll be done. Smells like an oven. Is this supposed to look like frosting? It's supposed to look like this? Oh no! God, that's sour. So now, we're gonna put this in our oven. Oh my god, I can't touch it. Oh my god. Wait, I did it the wrong way. No, it's stuck. Wait. This is how you grab it. Put it here.
Okay.
Take your back. Cook it for 8 minutes, right? We're gonna turn this to, is it 8? Now we're waiting. It's done! So now we're gonna try to take this and push, keep pushing, keep pushing. Do you think it's through? Now it's through. I'm just gonna put it in. Check it out. Ta-da! Still very hot. So now that we made it out, whoa. Okay, let me cool down for a little bit. Now we're just gonna frost it so the frosting gets good little layer. Use my hands because I can. And this is gonna be like a macaron kind of. Frosting in the middle, cookie on top. 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 Bum, bum, bum. Time to get the cookie off. Which one did I try? This one? It's too hard, but it's too soft. What? We're supposed to add some cooking spray. Oh, that worked. Cookie. It's good. Just not as good as a cake. Cookie. My cookie. So we just got done making a cake and a fake fail cookies. And cookies aren't that good. The winner is the microwave. Because these aren't coming off, number one. It's not that good, and the microwave was really good. The microwave only took 20 seconds. This took half an hour. For that. Can't even get it. No. So, in the end, microwave meals versus easy bake meals. Microwave is better. Bye, see you next time.